Box 5. Go Giants. 78. Got some density to it.
It looks fat.
Nope. Dang.
I
was as wrong as ever.
It's not that big.
It's a thin one.
It's got potential. They call them a stick. Stick card.
I feel like the Ducks have a lot of white ones.
They do.
I feel like have most of them been for the Ducks?
All the same person.
Joe Pavelski to 299.
I don't like how they made the names all silver.
Yeah, I don't even know which way to go.
Just go straight down.
Oh, well, I see black. There's a black card. 1-on-1 base.
Oh, man.
Doesn't really case it if it's a base though.
No.
They're just randomly.
It's just a cool card that
just
isn't
randomly put in
you
there.
haven't hit no training plates either.
Victor Fast to 99.
I don't know what is it, the Ducks and their one patch autos. Jesus.
Patch auto. Yeah, all of his have been white tonight. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice. To 299, 3-color rookie patch auto, Philip Forsberg.
One of the solid ones that hit at the 199 area. So all of last year's top rookies are all 199.
What a freaking autograph.
Wow, what an auto.
Nicholas Jensen, the 199. What the frick?
That is horrendous.
He's special.
That looks like a Janton autograph.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. Luke, oh nice. Mammoth Prime to 25. Luke Robitaille, I think he passed out whenever he was in the middle of an autograph. Luke Robitaille to 25.
Tons of Luke Robitaille.
And to finish off the box,
Oh man.
1/1 Steven Stamkos black base.
Mr. I don't know hockey is
And it is in great shape.
murdering it.
It's in good shape too. Usually those blacks are beat up.
Mr. I don't know anything about hockey is just killing these boxes.
Steven Stamkos 1/1 black base.
That pacer probably half the box almost.
Bam. I think it's beautiful. That's tough to get those black cards with no chipping, and that thing is pristine.
Pristine.
Yeah.
Nice stammer. Beautiful stammer.
So go Giants. There you have it. Man, this stuff